This is Coverty Grey Altai, a textural 3D decor tile by Baldocer Cerámica, Spain, that forms part of a collection that further features two low-maintenance matte ceramic wall tile options, namely Coverty Pearl and Coverty Grey. Whether you're looking for a backdrop to showcase bold decor or merely prefer more subdued surroundings, the eco-friendly Coverty collection is extremely versatile, working wonders on bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, living room, and home office walls alike. Coverty Pearl and Coverty Grey both feature a gently scoured visual effect, while the Coverty Grey Altai 3D decor tile's pronounced lines and lightly abraded surface toy with light and shadow to result in a unique and vibrant sculptural effect. Coverty will add both simplicity and sophistication to any type of homely interior, and is a lesson in style, not to mention textural and tactile delight.